Olha, eu toco as duas.
Faith.
Baadaye yako kuonyesha. Sijaka kuniambia ni wapi sasa. Sisi naruka mbele.
Jen Waigwe, Solomon Mutura, Solomon, Peter Muturi, Solomon. Top image, Jen Waigwe. Stand up. Yeah, keep it present. Let me continue with the color. Madam, you understand English or I speak in Kiswahili, you understand? I do. You understand English, eh? It's very important, eh? We'll be able to see a get recognition in you, right? So at all times, you promise to uphold your rights. So,
you know, I have a predicament that I'm not known until we appear in court. So may I be served with a copy of the charge so that I can address the court?
My apologies. My apologies.
Yes.
My apologies. Give him a copy.
I think it's this prosecutorial attitude.
No. Mr. Sajamu,
I asked, and I was told that I was not known. Yet I've practiced in these courts for over 20 years.
The court, Mr. Nyamu,
Yes.
the court understands the role of counsel. And we really appreciate. You know, when you come in,
Yes.
the proceedings are better with you, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, and we most highly welcome you. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, I've never had any problem with counsel.
Yes.
And I can even give you some little time. You look at the charge sheet. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Then
No.
you get started. But just tell me you have which parties?
Yes.
Yeah, isn't it?
Yes, both of them.
Yes.
Yes, and yes,
Jen and
for
Solomon.
the 7, 6 and 7.
6 and 7.
Yes.
For the 6 and 7. Council, may
And also,
yes,
and also the first.
and the first accused. Would I request Council Nyam, you can just have your seat and look at the charge sheet once you are ready, you can tell me. My apologies. My apologies. Yes.
First of all, we wish to apologize to Senior Nyam
Yes.
for that oversight.
Yes.
And on record with me today is Mr. Panyako,
Mr. Panyako.
Mr. Walusala, and myself, Mosaro.
Mr.
Mr. Panyako,
Yes.
Mr. Walusala, and myself, Miss Nyamu.
That's
Sorry.
Mr. Masar.
Yes, sorry.
Masar. Prosecution. For the state.
Miss Landwa,
Yes.
watching brief for ESCC.
Okay. Yes.
To bring the attention of the courts
Yes.
that the first 6th and 7th accused persons went,
That's number.
that is in constitutional petition,
Number. Accused number.
accused number 1,
1,
6, and 7.
6, and 7.
Yes,
Yes.
moved the constitutional court
Yes.
at Murang'a in constitutional petition number P004 of 2024.
004
E004
004
of 2024.
2024.
Well,
When?
the matter was in court on the 15th of April before Honorable Justice.
15th of April.
Yes.
Yes, before Honorable
Before Honorable
Justice.
Justice Wakiaga.
Yes.
Who directed that the matter goes to his sister, Lady Justice Cecilia Gidua. For her. And the respondents are the Director of Public Prosecution, named as the first respondent, the Inspector General of Police, second respondent,
The DPP.
yes,
The IG.
yes, DCI, third respondent, and the ESCC as a fourth respondent. When this file was taken before Lady Justice Gidua, she made directions, further directions, and issued orders. We only became aware of last evening. And today, my learned friends, Debo Njiru, advocates, proceeded to Murang'a to extract the same. The orders have been extracted, and the effect of the orders, which I wish to share. Your Honor, I'm sorry that I only have a copy, which has been sent by WhatsApp in advance when owing to this new development. Justice under Article 48 is a matter of right. Yes. I would request that we defer the taking of this plea by probably an hour. It's now 1:42. By which time my learned friend will be in court with all copies of the pleadings and the original order for the courts to appreciate the import of the same. Rather than rushing to taking plea,
Yes.
when an order has been presented, Your Honor, when I present this order, I present it as an officer of this court who ought to tell the truth, Your Honor. And of course, appreciating that the prosecution has its day and it ought to be satisfied, and so should the court, Your Honor. I would urge the court to defer this plea for just 1 hour. And my learned friend will be here so that we can look at the order. And if arguments are placed as to whether these orders are tantamount to restraining prosecution, then at that particular point, the court will determine, Your Honor. And Your Honor, this is not too much to ask. I'm not saying that we defer until tomorrow.
Yes.
It's just by 1 hour.
Yes.
Say by 3 o'clock, we should be in a position to address the court on these orders. Your Honor, further, I wish to also state that the sixth accused person is under the letter. And of course, owing to the circumstances, and given this particular order, we would request that she be allowed to take some, to get some medicine and also maybe some water as you come back.
No, we have no problem. We have no problem. Even right now, if there is water and medicine,
yes. But obviously, we wish to deal with the question of this particular
yes.
order.
Yeah,
In an hour's time.
We have got no problem. If the court won't stop anyone from taking water or even medication, please. And if it is there, please. You just pass it to her.
We wouldn't know what it is that she...
If she understands what she needs to take,
Yes.
she can just take it. Even right now, even before the court, have no problem with that. So we don't even need to know about that one. Let me just hear from Mr. Maswara.
Yes, sir. Yeah, with respect to Mr. Nyama's application, I note that the order dated issued on 17th April 2024 and served on us today is in respect of 3 accused persons. That is the 1st, 6th, and 7th accused persons. Who ultimately are the 1st to the 3rd petitioners in this order. So in regard to that, deferring the plea for 1 hour, we can defer it for the 3, so that I can also respond to the submissions made by my senior, Mr. Nyama. You know, in regard to the remaining accused persons, that is the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 8th, 9th, and 10th accused persons.
The
2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 8th, 9th, and 10th accused persons.
Yes.
We wish to pray for warrants of arrest for the following reasons. You know, on the 13th of April 2024,
Yes.
the ODPP released a statement to the media approving the decision to charge all the accused persons
Yes.
Then subsequently, on the 15th of April 2024,
On 15th
of April 2024,
of 2024.
the EACC also released a statement to the media summoning all the accused persons to appear before the offices
Okay.
before their offices, the EACC's offices, on the 16th of April 2024 at 8 a.m. It is on that directive that counsel for the first accused visited EACC offices on the 16th of April 2024. On the 16th, on the same day, 16th, that they were meant to be summoned, requesting EACC to accommodate them in order to present the first accused before EACC for processing today. The other accused persons are still at large. The phones have been switched off. The EACC have also taken the initiative of sending them SMSs requesting them to appear before the EACC. But they are nowhere to be seen. And in that regard, we do pray that warrants of arrest be issued.
Your Honor, in response, those that are not parties to the petition, so that it may determine whether, whilst these orders are in place, the DPP would have capacity in view of the judicial authority, the power on judicial authority, Your Honor. Because if that decision is what is going to be affected by this order, then warrants of arrest against even those that have not appeared would be uncalled for, as this court will not be seized of that matter until this petition is heard and determined. So I would urge the court to defer this until we come back and the court is in a position to interrogate that order and look at its import as it pertains these charges. As I finish, issuing warrants of arrest at this juncture would actually amount to putting the cart before the horse. I would urge the court to await that time.
Mr. Nyama,
Yes.
because you have promised me that you are going to get me the right one,
Yes.
I don't know if he's in a position to take this one.
That's okay.
Yeah, and of course we know.
In an hour's time.
But
I actually
first, sixth, and seventh accused person, Mr. Nyama, you are seeking orders to defer the plea in respect of the sixth and seventh accused persons who are before this court awaiting certified copies of ruling in Murang'a High Court petition number E004 of 2024. The matter is Mwangi Iria and two others, versus the DPP, the IG, the DCI, and the EACC. And according to counsel, your colleague and learned friend, the Gonjiro advocate, is on his way from Murang'a with the certified copy of the High Court ruling. Council, you have pleaded with this court to give you up to 3 p.m. That's when Mr. Jiro arrived before this court. The order. On behalf of the DPP, Mr. Masaro is not opposed to your plea to defer the matter to 3. However, he has also made an application for warrant of arrest now to issue again the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 8th, and 9th, up to 10 accused persons. In a brief reply, Mr. Nyamu, you again pleaded this court to defer the entire matter to 3 p.m. When the certified copy of the High Court ruling will be available for the court's scrutiny. I've carefully considered the submissions by Mr. Nyamu as well as Mr. Masaro in this matter. And it is in the interest of justice and fairness, if counsel is on the way to court, we defer the matter up to 3 p.m. to enable counsel the Mwangi available before this court, be present before this court, and to avail the certified copy of the ruling in the petition before Murang'a High Court. Accordingly, these are the orders that results from the court finding. 1, we defer the matter to 3 p.m. today. 2, counsel for the 1st, 6th, and 7th accused person, Mr. Nyamu, because we are the one who have already placed on record. You shall then avail before this court a certified copy of the High Court ruling in Murang'a petition number 004 of 2024. 3, prosecution application for warrant of arrest against the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 8th, and 9th, and 10th accused person will be deferred to the same time, that's 3 p.m. So we convene again at 3 p.m. I beseech you, we keep time. So whether you want to appear very friendly.